Speakers have static noise when playing audio. Steps 1. Usually this problem is due to audio is configured incorrectly, drivers need to be updated or speakers may be malfunction. First, restart the computer to see if the problem can be solved. Steps 2. Go to Start menu. Type Troubleshooter in search bar and press Enter. Under Additional Troubleshooters click Playing Audio. Or go to Taskbar and find Volume icon, right-click select Troubleshoot Sound Problems. Steps 3. If the problem persists, go to Device Manager. Click on the audio components. Update drivers for all of these. Steps 4. If the problem is not fixed, update BIOS to the latest version. Steps 5. If the problem not resolved, consider replacing speakers or sound card, I/O board, motherboard, subboard, etc.